What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man, with constrictors in the building again. Real quick video. The hatchlings are all ready to be separated and put into their own tubs. So I'm gonna do that. What I do, I keep everybody in the incubator until everybody come out of the eggs. Once everybody out of the eggs, then I will take them and put them in the hatchling rack on paper towel, wet paper towel, damp paper towel, until everybody shed out. Once everybody shed out, then they all go in their own individual tubs with their own water. I'll give them, I don't know, 7 to 10, maybe 14 days on the cocoa blocks, let them get used to their new environment before I even offer them a meal, and then they usually take off after that. I never had any problems or anything with any feeders, so you know, it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. So we'll get into that, but first, kick that intro. All right, so as you can see, we got the one that's still in shed. Right there. Let's see if I can adjust this lighting real quick. All right. So yeah, wet paper towel, a little bit of water in there, not a whole lot. Got a couple sheds here and there, but if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen this young lady right here. This is gonna be the whole back from this clutch. And this is what I'm gonna call all three genes, so butter, leopard, and fire all together. And I mean, she's just amazing. So we'll get her in her own tub and get her a meal in her body here in the next few days or so. I mean, she like, I don't know if the camera picking it up, but she like purple. So that's one. All right, and next up, somehow we got a single gene leopard. Very nice example of the morph, if I do say so myself. That boy better be making some beautiful babies. Check out the head stem. It always looked like a flame to me. That's how I can always tell a good leopard. There it is. So yeah, single gene leopard. I ain't even sexed nobody yet, so I don't know if this is a male or female. Let's see. Nice leopard belly. That'll be a female. Next, I think this is just a lesser, or butter, excuse me, butter. I think this is just a butter. Single gene. Another very, very nice example of a butter. It's all about quality, man. Like, everybody can produce these things, but if they don't look good, what's the point? You know what I mean? Look at that. No eyes in the alien heads hardly, which is kind of weird. And then this little chaining up here at the front of the neck, which is also pretty cool. I mean, there's a potential that that's fire, but I would think the browns would be a little lighter. Everything else would be a little lighter if it had that fire in there. But a good clean butter, good clean example of a butter. Look at that. Everybody from this clutch was calm. I ain't even struck at. That Krypton clutch though, you'll see them in the next video. that I think is another girl as well. Call that a girl too. Female butter. Alright, next up is what I think is a duplicate of mom. So I'm thinking this is a nuclear, which is a butter fire. She's really shy. Little fire head dot. One of the giveaways of the fire gene. See if I can show y'all. There it is. So I think that's a butter fire. As you can see, the browns aren't as brown as that last snake. And then the fire makes all the alien heads look a little, I guess you could call them rougher around the edges. So it's not as quote unquote clean as that last one. But still, beautiful example, man. Like I say, it's all about quality over here. The dam, the mom came from Eric DeMeyer, and then the dad came from Travis from South Sound Snakes. So nothing but quality, man. You spend the extra money on quality, you get extra quality back. Plain and simple. Focus, there we go. Let's see what we got. As far as I know, I don't think I got no boys yet. So let's see what this dude is. Look like another met female. Say that's another female. She peed on me. So again, butterfire. Last but not least is this little one right here. I'm gonna put him on some cocoa blocks and hopefully it'll help him shed out a little bit easier. Should be any day now, but this is what I think is just another little lesser, or butter, excuse me, I keep saying lesser. This I think is just a lesser. So we'll get him on some cocoa blocks and he should shed in the next day. Alright, so yeah, man, got that beautiful clutch just put away. So everything except that first one, that lesser butterfire, is going to be available. So if you're interested, man, hit your boy up. Of course, they're going to need 4 meals consecutively, back to back to back, in a row before they go anywhere. I just don't want nobody getting nothing, that ain't going to eat for them. But like I say, usually stuff coming out of here, man, don't have no problem eating. Got rats out back, so whatever they want, whatever size, whenever they look hungry, they can get it. That's simple, man. I try to keep my animals happy out here without doing anything to contribute, to any negative effects on their health or anything like that. So more stuff coming, man. I'm trying to keep these videos coming so I can get to that 500, so I can do that giveaway. This girl looking better and better and better every day. By the time I get to 500, I'll probably be done bred her and got a few locks or something, because she had close to 1,400 grams. So if you ain't subscribed, man, go ahead, hit that button, get you a chance to win that girl. And I appreciate all that love and support. I'm actually about to shoot another video right now, because that Krypton clutch is just about ready to go. So that one will be posted in the next couple days. Same thing, I'm gonna try to sex them all and see what the ratio is, show everything off, and then put everybody in their own individual tub. So that being said, man, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, so you know whenever I post these videos, I'm gonna try to come more consistent for y'all. Appreciate all the love and support, man. Till the next time, y'all be easy.